brain-boosting drinks you need to know about. Carrots are packed with nutrients, including beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for brain health and proper functioning of the central nervous system. Carrots also contain antioxidants and other compounds like luteolin that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective effects, helping to maintain cognitive function and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in brain health. Vitamin C helps protect brain cells from oxidative stress, aids in the production of neurotransmitters, and supports the synthesis of collagen, which is important for the health of blood vessels in the brain. Additionally, the scent of lemon has been found to have mood-enhancing effects, potentially improving cognitive performance and reducing stress levels. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants, particularly lycopene, which has been linked to a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease. Lycopene acts as a powerful antioxidant that helps protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Tomatoes also contain other nutrients like vitamin C and vitamin E, which have been associated with better cognitive function and a lower risk of cognitive decline.